Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinikilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ki Samla pule ka skul ba NEHU kilami pat ba ban penrem me ka sarkar Meghalaya bari kinong penyat ka NEHU namar ka jingkem ya u president ka NEHU su Samla sandi sa otun bat yo rung ki pulet ha palau jung ka skul ba. Ki pulit jung ke East Khas Hills District hagas ngining kong ka arfradrik yayong arhajar arpsan kila kemi u president ka North Eastern Hill University Student Union NEHU su kata u Samla sandi sa otun halor kajing sya keno ba udon ketiban syo yu assistant professor katanat Hindi Dr. Alok Singh ka skul ba NEHU. Na kaliang ki Samla puli NEHU su kilami banra iki plakat berkila mayong banyat procession tawir ka palau NEHU. Ya katai kajing yalang penrem jung ki Samla puli kadai kajing ne bean jung ki pulit ban rung hakakut jung ka NEHU ban kemi ki Samla NEHU kumju ban keno ban pharep ki Samla puli ba ki don kti ban penyap her jingmut da ka badon kti ban syo ban dat ya unong hikai Hindi. U Samla Tony Ho Kharsati ula kenthere ka sarkar bari ki pulit namar ki kam bam la long bat bam priang da ki Samla puli. Ayu pai ki Samla puli ki dan ban ong nama ki Samla puli ki bitar kumno ka sarkar ka kloi ban ai jingya da tang ya uwe ubriu da ki hispa andu phongot ki pulit. Utei unong hikai udei uwe ukraw hado katno kat bahi ki Samla upha thwet lakum ki le no. Balai Pha pulit perton bat CRPF kadai ban penklan jalebi ya ki jingki jung ki Samla puli. U Dr. Alok Singh ula keno bahaga janmit jung ka arp south rik mentau ubna yeyong kaladon ka jingwan rung kensan jung ki kenhun Samla hapo ka kamra jang u balayalam khamat u Samla sandi so otun ha kapor janmit. La keno ru bagi ki Samla ki shot dusmon da ka ba kenjat bat kura ya utei professor katanat Hindi ka balane hadu laipo minute AA. Kini ki Samla puli kila pen abru da ka khanshi khapkon na rendang jong unu professor ringkat ka berngam bersit bakin penyam. Kani ka jing ne riu khlau kini ki Samla puli kala jia da ka jing keno ba unu professor ule politics bat thmu wanra iki jing sngow ye pher hapo ka skul ba. Ka yeng ka shiri kala pen ngat judicial custody yo Samla sandi so otun hadu nyosngi.
Unlawful arrest! Free of us! Unlawful arrest! Free of us! Unlawful arrest! No more false allegations! 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 We condemn illegal arrest! We condemn illegal arrest! We condemn illegal arrest! We condemn illegal arrest! Police force down, 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 down. Police force down, 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 down. Police force down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Assassin down, 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 down. CRPF down, 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 down. CRPF down, 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 down. CRPF down, 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 down. Home Department shameful, shameful, shameful. Home Department shameful, shameful, shameful. Home Department shameful, shameful, shameful.
Charge ng university. Kuman siong ya kajing arrest kajong sama sendiri kalong sa jaga ka pangingim la pani accept kadaw kalong ba ikam follow ka proper procedure. Ki police personnel ki one man arrest i sama sendiri sotun hakapor bakidang ye phong ka civil dress ka janjing. Bagi police kim don tang kata kadak kasan bagi pen identify bagi ki police hok bagi ki one ban kemi sama sendiri sotun. Kuman siong hakapor bagi arrest sama ya sama sendiri sotun kila arrest ro ya way pat way kena kidang mod bagi don ketilang ti kila ra lang ye beral ngut henry yo ta way kena pan kila penihar na get 5 haga bagi ki ong ba ki baklaban identify yo ta kena tekane ka jingla ka jong pulit sisa ka wanra ka jingkili ka ba khrido hato ka police force ka badai sisa ka badai bala tha banta ka bahkan maintain ka law and enforcement order hakane ka state ka jongi hakane ka jala ka jongi hato ka tre hok sa haga ba kim tip yano ki wan kem ki shira kulum kalam kumbara agi blang ki masih bagi thap ka kali jengki bagi penhapa di ki stang nanti yakum kane ka jingna jong ka pulit nakalen yo ka NEHU student senior bagi KC unit hi ni condemn ni ko man pensai umde bangi ngi Pyrshah ya ka police force ngis ngeu tho ngidon ka mega police force dan maintain ka law and order handai la ki police kila izang ban akum ne kim phong ya kata ka uniform ka ba kila de bedi ban phong ka por biki wan ban arrest kata claim ka waran kalong si chak ege ka ba ngila ka long si chak ege bu jingkili wa dengi ki student senior ro kumban suang ka dike basu case ka guideline yang tu case kala kren sai ka ba pilih ban arrest pidon ka man phong ya ka identification ka ba proper pidon ka man ka proper uniform pidon ka man ka name plate ka jong phi hato bele ha ka incident ka ba benta claim follow ya kata ka jingkili ha ba but pa dia kata kalong ba tang man protect ya ta way no hikai pi deploy hadu shis pa support plus ki police forces on top of that pi iru ki CRPF hato hadu kat no ulong special ulong corridor uta particular no hikai ken kuman syong ye pi kane ka case ka ditang ka mere allegation hadu menta ka kane ka ki police forces kidang investigate kane ka case te believe nan ka manai hadu special preference hadu kata kuman syong ka jingwan ka police force apo ka campus kam de ki ka student sinin ka opos henry ha kanu ka benta ki kiwan iklam pentip what ki police what ki authorities jong ka university kila shui rung kurlum keram ba kila shui asdang man thebe ki kena kila asdang man patrolling haki hostels kuman syong kila yong kila don ki ba ong ki hostel ki hostel kena kan thebe sendang ki ong ba ki police jeep ki police bolero baki yawan baki zangman patrolling ki kena ki phone ki calling ki ong badun jinjai nakalian jungi ngingem tebe hapa kabor bengi kilis administration nakalian jo administration ki ong kimtep wat ya ka benenga khindo ti yakum kene ka jingwan rong ka jong ka police hakaba haki por ki berim ki ong mangingem don ka jurisdiction hapa jong ka NEHU kuman syong the state government hi hakindit singi ki por men sha ka por bengi don kata ka jingi ki ka por ngi bengi pani ka jingerap ka ong sha ka ong ba ngimla banyera pi namar bakam don ka jurisdiction jongi tementa na pat kawan kata ka jurisdiction kinit kansan per ki wan ban rung hapo ban rung hapo ke university jongi ban kam try ke university jongi khlam da pentip ki stakeholders jong university yakum kene ke jingla jong ka police force ni condemn ina condemn shi shah ina kala jong students union ni condemn shi shah ina ka students community but ki stakeholder jong ka university ni malak ban pediang nadu ke singi ban kong ni ong ni kloi ban cooperate kalau shi kata ka allegation ni kloi ban cooperate tang hakano ko ka man cooperate ni ko ay ka mutual cooperation aba pi kwa shisha ban toki de jing shisha ni kloi ban ai ka representation tang ba ba pinchuan ko me ba pinchu ya tap yangi ha ka kali bullet pimda batai yangi ba ki charges under what charges are we being leveled upon believe pi kwa yangi ban ra yangi sa ki police station hakono ka banta hakono ka nung pi ko ban toki dengi la pim batai shay kum kita nakalan yung student senior ngin resist kumala pen shay minin hi ada ki police force ki ko ban rung forcefully hapo ka university ngin call for indefinite suspension of classes because suspension jong classes kam dire baki kena ki ko ban enjoy hindi kadi bangi ko ban peni bangingim kwa yakum kini ki jing tuklar jong ke police department khlam na don tisha kata ka nungrim ka bas camp nakalan jing ko ban petai shay hoy ka don ga jing skusi ka bakhraw haga bau samla seni sotun ulasha arrest illegally barngi de kar paro tadi balong ka bala ka bhaba pin release no useni sotun basa follow ka proper procedure tadi pikwa ka representation ngi kloi banai ka representation henry hakum kene ka jing syakyam kalong shisha ke ka bangi ngimla ban pediang kalong shisha ke ka bangi kendam
jingsha te kata ka jingsha kumba fly iru haki Instagram page jongka IBVP fly i ba utu dan u benta hang tu te kumbala kilat pathai khubor kilat saphyang tu jingdan benta jong ni ubre uwan hakani university ngimtep ladangi mano ki wan wat ka political agenda ka jong u andre kani ka political agenda ka jong u mdei ban kentiu ki para hari kini ki pa khasi basa hakani ka dong kathan iki samla pule badan hane po university handrai ban yo raj ban ben yiki khana uji isi yiki khana ki belong ki badan kata ka jing et mta ban tre mta ka jaj ban reu ban tre na mta ki mat ki issue jong ka jaj ban reu ni dei kita ki khana ki ba tre ki ba buat bat ki ba tre hok na mta ka ri ba ka jaj ban reu ban kentiu ban yarap e ki para khasi ni dei kum mau jun thot akhmat jong hadin ka jing mi statement jong diwai siam istu kata ka jingwan kem jong ki ni police force apo ka university ka jongi kadai ka ba sha tamba ngim pediang pat ya ka jing kem ya uni samla ba ya lam ya ka NEHU namar ble ba la shuparap ya u amdei klem dat yo ya ka daw ka ba hok kisuan kisu kem kani dei tang ka jing persyang ban pentron ki samla pule ba yaki Pyrshah yu ni visi halor ki kam ki ba shibun ki bela pensngo haki benai ki beladap lor ka tanat kulit ada kawan ka dari bandrong ha kanu pakai university ne kanu kino ki jaka kadan kam ban let kidan kam ban le tamba bandung hapo ka university ka jongi nidan kam ya katkum ka university hi kadan kam ka jingbet joka university namar ba hagane ka university ka educational institute hagajing kumba flai imenen palat chispa andre photam ki pulat ki ladan hane amtang state police den ki CRPF kajingwan jungki menen kilet ki syura yuwe samla suksi narendang penhap segit 5 lek shandor ki kena ki bedang man pule ki bedang ya napo na la ki kamera kelas lek library lek shandor ki itu kita kajing small lengo i waja jing sya ki pulat ki de banwan ban ai security kena andre ki wan penting panwan ki kena
on the pretext of preventing safety and security of the students. How do they dare to go and patrol towards the hostels of the students, towards female hostels, towards boys hostels, and clicking the pictures? Is it not an infringement of our privacy? Yes. Do they think that the students of this particular university are all hooligans? No. Then why are they treating us in this manner? We have been very cooperative since day one. Allegation has come. It is the duty of the law and enforcement agency to do their job, and we are cooperating with them. But to this extent that they will come and drag by our necks, and they'll release the students midway because they have done a mistake in identifying the students. Should we really accept such kind of explanations? No. Do we really deserve this? No. We have never seen such kind of incidents ever taking place in our university, but this time they have come. They have come for the president of the union. They might come for you guys next time. Any one of you who are of the dais. It is upon us to choose. Do we really want to suffer? Do we really want to live in this kind of oppression? Yesterday, let me tell you, from 4 p.m., we came to know initially early in the morning, we had no idea that such police personnel have entered inside the campus. It was only later at around 3 p.m. we came to know from some of the students of Geography Department, Commerce Department, they said that some CRPF personnel have been deployed. What's the matter? When we went and talked with the Vice Chancellor in charge, we came to know that from the administration side, there was no such calling of any security personnel whatsoever, especially the CRPF, because there is no tension whatsoever prevailing in the university campus. There was no need of CRPF. Then who deployed them? Who sent them? How do they have the authority to send CRPF inside the campus? Just mere on the basis of the allegation. And now it is to be noted, just to protect one single particular teacher, why was 140 police forces being deployed? Are we all hooligans or what? No. Then why are they treating us like this? This is a clear violation towards the rights of the students, the rights of representation. You must be knowing, you must all know, it is an undisputed fact that the Students' Union have raised towards the system. Few months back, we have staged some protests towards the administration for their maladministration, for their ill behavior. But now what do we get in return? We get personal attacks. They come and arrest us with civil uniforms, without proper identification. Do we really deserve this? Do we really deserve this? No. Imagine you guys chose us. And we have raised our voice every now and then when we heard your grievances. Do we really deserve this? No. My friend, actions of the administration. There's a high time for us to raise our voices. We have been your voice since day one. And now we need your support in the novel cause, in this novel cause. We are not against the interrogation. We are not against the demand for investigation. We are ready to cooperate. Why? Because we know we are not guilty. We are ready to cooperate. We are not running away. But we don't deserve to be treated like hardcore criminals, that they'll come and drag us. This is not the way. We don't deserve this. None of you deserve this. We are gaining nothing from this. But the demonstration which we have set few months back has set the university into a momentous journey. I'm telling you, for all of you who have been staying here for quite a long time, you'll see that university is growing. For a very long period of time, the roads of the university were in a very bad condition. Hostels were never repaired. But now, it is taking momentum.
We are seeing the difference. I hope every one of you are seeing.
Yes.
And after all this, what do we get? Such type of illegal arrest. FIR was filed on Friday. They waited Saturday, they waited Sunday, and Monday they came to arrest without proper identification, without proper police uniform. My friends, what has happened to one of our beloved friend of mine, the president of the union? Can we happen to any one of you? Just imagine, they just came towards a student leader. They can come and drag any one of you at any point of time, and that too without giving a proper notice. How will you differentiate whether they are students or whether they are police personnel if they come in, if they don't come with proper uniform? Can you identify them?
No.
We are all university students. We have research scholars. We have postgraduate students. We have undergrad students who are all mature. We have all attained the age of majority. We know what is right. We know what is wrong. They don't have any authority to come and teach how we speak, how we talk. They don't have any authority to come and put surveillance on us and click pictures without taking the proper consent. Let me make it very clear. What has happened yesterday, it is unwarranted, it is unprecedented. It is unreasonable, it is arbitrary. It is a slap towards the student community of this university. And henceforth, we have called this particular gathering. And now, a time will come that all our voices will be called upon each and every one of you. Thank you so much for coming here. At least we can understand we are living, fighting for the rights. We are still, no matter how much they threaten us, we are a very peaceful and harmonious union and community, as you know. We are ready to cooperate with whatever direction they come as per rule, as per law and procedure. But if they violate, we are not someone who will just sit and listen to the oppression and become victims. We have right to choose ourselves. And the student union is choosing. Any police forces tries to enter this particular university illegally, suspension of classes. Why? Because this university is for us. What will happen to us? We will always be under constant surveillance.